In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TEXTSPLIT with sort in Excel to separate numbers and text. Open Excel on your Windows desktop, then make sure your workbook is already open. On screen, you should be looking at the sample employee table. In this sample data, there are a few blank cells scattered across the columns, and that is what you'll be working with here. Click cell A1 at the top left of the table, so the range starts from the first cell. Then hold down Shift. While keeping Shift pressed, press F11 to select a whole data range. This quickly highlights the table, so the next action applies across the full selection instead of just one cell. Now go to the Home tab at the top of the ribbon. Move over to the Editing group on the far right side. Click Find and select the button with the magnifying glass icon. A drop-down menu will open. From that menu, click Go to Special. The Go to Special dialog box will appear in the center of the screen. Inside this dialog, look down the left column and click the radio button for blanks. This tells Excel to target only the empty cells inside the range you selected a moment ago. After that, click OK in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. The dialog closes, and now every empty cell inside the selected area becomes highlighted. You'll see the blank cells marked with a gray moving border, which shows that Excel has selected only those empty spots and left the filled cells out of the selection. With those blank cells still selected, stay on the Home tab and go to the Font group. Find the Fill Color button, the one that looks like a paint bucket and usually shows a colored bar underneath it. Click the small drop-down arrow next to that button to open the color menu. Under Standard Colors, choose a bright color such as yellow, or any color you prefer from that section. As soon as you click the color, Excel fills only the selected blank cells with that color. The rest of the table remains unchanged, so the missing data stands out clearly across all 6 columns. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, every empty cell in the employee table is highlighted in your chosen color, while the cells that already contain data stay exactly as they were.